Imagine waking up tomorrow, and every movie, song, and book you bought online is just gone. No warning, no refund, just a blank screen. You thought you owned them, but you actually just rented a key to a door that someone else can lock. As we move into the era of AI, this digital ghost is becoming our reality. You aren't buying products anymore, you're buying permission. And that permission can be taken away at any second. Think about the last thing you bought digitally. A game on a console? A movie on a streaming app? You didn't actually buy the item, you bought a license to use it. This is called the end of physical media. When you owned a CD or a book, it was yours forever. Now, your entire library exists on a server, owned by a billion-dollar company. If they change their terms, your library vanishes. The difference is simple, but dangerous. Physical media is like owning a house, you have the keys and the land. A digital license is like renting a room in a hotel. You can decorate it and live in it, but the manager can kick you out whenever they want. They can even change the locks while you're sleeping. This shift makes you a customer for life, but an owner of nothing. Now, AI is making this even weirder. AI doesn't just store your data, it eats it. Your digital libraries are being used to train models that might eventually replace the very artists you paid for. Even worse, AI can update content in real time. Imagine a movie you bought, but the AI changes the ending or removes a character because of a new corporate policy. Your memories are no longer safe from the update button. We traded ownership for convenience. It's easier to click play than to put in a disc. But this convenience is a trap. We are now paying monthly fees for things we used to buy once. If you stop paying, you lose everything. We've entered a world of subscription fatigue, where we spend more money over time and end up with nothing to show for it at the end. This isn't just a theory, it's already happening. Companies are deleting old games and movies from their libraries to save money or avoid lawsuits. When the physical copy is gone, there is no backup. Once a company decides a piece of art is no longer profitable, they can wipe it from existence. We are living through the first great digital dark age, where our history can be erased with one click. The most dangerous part is that it feels like you have more choice than ever. You have millions of songs in your pocket, but you don't own a single one. You are just browsing a catalog that someone else manages. They can change the price, change the content, or block your access if you disagree with their rules. The cloud is just someone else's computer, and they hold all the power. But you can fight back. Start by buying physical media again, books, vinyl, or Blu-rays. If you buy digital, make sure you can download the file to your own hard drive. Support artists who sell their work directly, without a middleman. By taking your data offline, you turn a digital ghost back into something real. You take the power back from the servers and put it back in your hands. The digital world is convenient, but it's fragile. Don't let your favorite stories become ghosts in a machine. Hold on to the things you love, and make sure you actually own them.